What does that say, Kayla?
Mm.
What does it say?
What?
And what is a witch?
Um, Sometimes they have wands and they're evil and they have green skin.
So the washing machine is made by.
A witch.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Is that why it says witch on it?
Yeah.
So, is it like a cauldron?
Yeah.
So that's basically a new witch's cauldron
Yeah, but you put clothes in.
instead of little children.
Yeah.
Right. Are you sure?
Yeah.
So why would they put a sticker on it saying witch?
Because a witch made that.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
So Bosch makes witches make Bosch washing machines.
Yeah.
So why does the tumble dryer not say witch on it?
Because it wasn't made by a witch.
But it's got the same Bosch written on it then. So I don't understand. So a witch made that Bosch washing machine, but the witch didn't make that Bosch tumble dryer.
No, because a good witch made that.
A good witch made that, and so would it not say good witch on that one?
No.
How does that work? I don't understand. What about this thing over here? What's this? Is that a fridge?
Yeah.
And who made that? That doesn't say witch on it. It says hot point. Does that mean it's hot? Is the fridge hot?
No.
And why did it say hot point?
Because it points and it's hot.
You're crazy.